recipes which is needed immediately. Like now, we need this kind of recipe, guys. Anyway, you need to start to prepare for the weather ahead of us. You know what I mean? It's gonna be really cold this winter, freezing head out. The only thing I can suggest to all of my fans who are watching my video or supporting Chef Ricardo, please prepare. You know what I mean? Drink this even for at least a week. You know what I mean? Ginger, lemon, you know, apple cider vinegar. Detox your body. You know, make some ginger tea, real natural thing. You know what I mean? To take away all of this cold which coming ahead of us. It's gonna be freezing. This Christmas is gonna be cold. Alright? Did you feel the weather today? I'm telling you, there's something ahead of us is coming. So the only thing I can say, get yourself ready. Make your body firm, ready for this winter ahead of us which is coming. You know what I mean? Get rid of the cold, the flu, the sneezing, all of these things which gonna come. It's coming like a mighty rushing wind. It's like a storm coming. So you need to prepare yourself. You know what I mean? Fight this battle ahead of us which is coming, guys. Every year I normally talk about the weather, what is coming. Prepare yourself. Drink a lot of natural ingredient stuff, guys. You know what I mean? Ginger, lemon, lime, and all these things. Try have it at home. And you know what I mean, look after yourself, look after your body, because especially if you're not driving and you're out there in the cold, it's not easy. Alright guys, so you need to prepare yourself. So recipe for today is gonna be lemon and some honey, and I'm gonna do this video again, telling my fans them to get ready and prepare themselves. You know what I mean? Start cleanse out your body. Get rid of all those junk what you eat in summer. You know? Yeah, the chicken, the beef, the lamb, and all them things. Prepare your body now. You need to flush out the system, cleanse out your body, and all these things. So prepare for your weather, ahead of us, which is coming. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get the latest update. What is going on? Which I love. So I got a medium-sized pot right here, guys. I got some lemon and I got some ginger, and this is roughly 12 ounces of water inside of this jug right here. And also I have my grater, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be grating the ginger. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grate this ginger just to get a lot more from the ginger, a little bit more stronger, a little bit more better. All right, so let's go into business. No time to waste with this natural ingredients, preparing for the weather ahead of us. So this tea, if you can drink this up to a week every morning on an empty stomach, it is better for you guys. Or if you want to drink a glass of it hot at night before you go to your bed, works really wonderful also. So stay tuned as we go ahead. Nice and lovely. So basically I have a medium-sized front pan right here, and I got some lemon, and I got a nice lovely piece of a ginger. But I'm not going to be using all of this ginger. I'm just going to be using one thick piece of a ginger like this. I have a grater, medium-sized grater. You can use either this side or this side. So I'm going to be using this thick side. Alright? Very quickly and easy. Make sure you wash the ingredients. Nice one. So as you can see, that's the ginger I just grated. Alright, and all I'm going to do is pour the 12 ounces of water inside of this. Alright guys, once you do that, what we're going to do is put a little bit of dry chili inside of it. Not too much, just a tiny bit of dry chili and a little bit of pepper. Alright, then what we're going to do, we're going to put it to the boil. To make it boil for roughly about 12 minutes on a medium-sized heat. Alright, so let's go into business. So right here, just put it on the stove, medium-sized heat, and all I'm going to do, in the meantime, I'm going to get one of my lemon and cut it and put it inside of it. So I'm using 1 whole of lemon inside of it. Not gonna be mucking about with this drink. This drink is one of my #1 drink, and I'm preparing for this weather which is coming ahead of us. Alright, so this is the best way. So we're gonna make that boil up for about 12 minutes on a medium-sized heat. So from now you put it on, by the time 12 minutes come it will cook, done and dusted. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening in the kitchen when I'm talking about a drink. Alright guys, so if you notice now it's roughly about 8 minutes now since I have it on the stove. I don't play with this kind of drink, you know what I mean? This is my favorite drink them. I love to make this kind of drink, and I really enjoy these kind of drink. This is natural stuff, natural ingredients, you know what I mean? And the weather which is coming ahead of us is not going to be like something you to play with like a toy, you know. You have to prepare, you have to clean out your body, clean out your immune system, getting prepared and ready. Just like if you're gonna go on a motorway, you want to prepare your car to make sure everything is function. So this is what I can't understand. Some people spend so many times on their car, but it doesn't do with their body. So have a think about this, guys. This is very important right now. This drink which I'm making is #1 drink from Chef Ricardo. No, you don't have to put the chili in it, but I'm making it for myself, and I love chili, you know, and I love pepper inside of this kind of drink. Nice one. Look at that. That is fantastic. You can see how it's boiling and looking thick. Let's turn off the stove. We don't need to boil like we are boiling to make something. You know what I mean? Like we wanna make something fancy, but this is just good at the moment. Look at that. Yeah, that is exactly what I'm talking. Nice and lovely. So basically, just take it off from the stove, and all I'm going to do is just, I have a strainer, but you know what I mean, I'm just gonna just simple pour it like this. And this is Chef Ricardo style. Just to make the fans see exactly what's going on. Do you see that? Exactly 1 cup of tea right here. Amazing. If you like, you can put a little bit of honey. You don't have to. To be honest, you can just drink that as it is. The best way to drink such a lovely tea like this is on an empty stomach in the morning when you wake up. Just to feel the temperature and the natural stuff going in your immune system. It's like when you change your oil in your car and put in a new brand oil, the car start to function different. So this hot drink right here is just, I don't even know what to say to you guys, but you have to do it for yourself and drink it and see exactly what I'm talking about. The flavor, the taste, everything just go down inside of your immune system and detoxing out your body, preparing yourself and getting ready. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo's show. We will have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas. As you can see, natural ingredients, natural stuff. I normally make my drink